What is up, Rockers and Rebels? It is Ruby, and this is not a makeup tutorial. The show where we try to copy other people's work and pass it off as our own because, let's face it, there are no original thoughts. I don't know why this happened, but I am digging it. So this is the second video in the not a makeup tutorial series, and I don't know why I'm doing this. The first one was more of a, just goofing around type video, but now we're getting serious. This is serious work, you guys. Seriously. Starting the actual copying of the playlist videos. I have them right here. I don't know how to embed videos onto this, so just roll with it. We're gonna go with this. So the first video is by Wayne Goss, and I used to watch his videos a lot. He is a professional MUA, and he has a lot of really good information. Most like makeup gurus, they just focus on like eyeshadow and maybe lip color like looks, but he has actual good information to like learn and stuff. So let's start with him, shall we?
Hey everyone, okay, so today is about achieving a flawless, very full coverage foundation routine. So I'm applying primer first. Now as we go along, you'll see this building and you'll see the skin become more...
Okay, we're just diving right in with this thing. Okay, here we go. So he didn't like say what type of primer to use, but I have pores the size of manhole covers. So we're going in with the L'Oreal Studio Secrets Professional Pore Filling Primer. And I just put way too much on. Oh my gosh. But, you know, whatever. We're gonna fill these pores. Oh my god, it's amazing. It feels amazing. I love it. Smooth like butter. And I mean, I also use the Pore Professional from Benefit. Should I use some of that too? Should I just layer the crap out of this? You know what? Yeah, let's just layer the crap out of this. I don't know why, but I mean, I haven't analyzed it a lot, but this one I like just using on my nose. But the L'Oreal one, I like using it all over. Probably because it's so soft. Oh my god, it feels so soft. Okay, moving on.
More flawless. But you also need to bear in mind that this is a lot of product. And even though I'm filming this in 4K and it's about as real as you can get, it's still a lot of product and your skin isn't going to look like it's absolutely bare, but it will look flawless.
Wait, this is not even like a... Wait, what am I doing? We're just going in?
See this building and you'll see the skin become more and more flawless.
It's like
you also need to bear in mind that
5-minute video and we're 20 seconds in, he's already putting it on. What do I do?
So I'm blending foundation onto the skin and I'm using Ultra HD foundation and I've used 3 pumps.
Don't have that.
Because I want to...
We're building and minimizing texture. Okay. Well, let's just go into it. What tone are we feeling today? Are we feeling this? We feeling pale as fuck? I don't know my undertones. I don't know. I feel like this right now. Yeah. Ooh, you know what? Which one should we use? Let's go with this one. So we can really see the contrast in the colors. That. Ooh. That's so much more liquidy than I thought. Okay. This is a lot. Cat, don't scare me. Okay, I thought this would be like way too dark on me, but oh my god, it cooks a little good. Oh yeah, there's the darkness. There it is. Okay, Tati said to go up in here because this shows, you know, I'm just gonna go like that. We'll go with that. We have to go all up in here because this shows if you've blended properly or not. And I know we're not talking about Tati Westbrook right now, but you know what? She is clean and we're gonna follow her advice. Oh yeah, this is way darker. It's kind of blending okay though. Or maybe that's just because I don't have my glasses on. So we've done the... Oh my god, this looks good. Except for under my eye. This looks really good, like the finish. Not so much the color, it's still too dark. But if I was wearing like a shirt like this, would you know? Okay, what's next, Mr. Goss?
Applied, I'm going to apply concealer that matches the skin tone to the outside corners of the eyes and any areas where there's redness, such as above my eyebrows. And then I'm just going to blend this in with a Beauty Blender sponge.
Okay, so now we're going into concealer. Okay. Like skin tone, so probably not my Jeffree Star because it's lighter than my skin tone. My Fenty, maybe? Yeah, let's go with the Fenty. Okay, he used one of these. So, should I just like put it on the brush? Oh no, let's watch this again. Rewind 10 seconds.
Of the eyes and any areas where there's redness.
Yeah, he's just like dipping into it. Okay. So. Okay. He said the outside corners and above the eyebrows and anywhere with redness. Okay. We're not going under the eyes at all. I don't know. We're gonna find out. Okay, right there. Oh, he said anywhere there's redness, so right there maybe? To hide my trouble spot. My skin demon. Oh, I didn't even think I'd put that much on the brush, but here we are. We're just going the whole face apparently. Okay. The tiniest little dot of this concealer. Okay, now I just look like I have white patches and like a big dark chin. Mother trucker. Alright, so far so good. I think we're doing good. Let me put the lid on the concealer on the foundation before I spill it. Moving on.
Which is above my eyebrows. And then I'm just going to blend this in
with
a Beauty Blender sponge.
Shit!
Now, a Beauty Blender sponge for...
I forgot he used the... he applied it with the... See, I'm already forgetting shit. He applied it with the brush and blended it with the sponge. Damn it.
This sort of tutorial is recommended, and you'll see why as we go on. Now I'm going to absorb some of that oil. This is very, very important. I'm absorbing the oil from the foundation and the concealer that we've just used. By taking away this, you're going to achieve a more flawless look and less...
Okay, so I need a tissue. And he's just blotting it all over. Okay. I'm classy. I use toilet paper, so... I'm so surprised how good this looks. Seriously. Okay, so... I mean, I don't... Oh, wow. Look at all... It's a lot. So, you're applying an excess and then blotting the excess. Okay. What do you got for me, Wade?
Not less coverage, I'm sorry. Less texture on the skin. Now I'm applying a shade of concealer.
Oh, wow. Yeah, this does look nice. You know what? This is like what Tati was saying with the cloth. And you just like press it in. Oh my gosh. Wow. I could just use toilet paper. I don't need to buy the blendable. Oh my god.
Because again, this is a very full coverage tutorial. So I'm applying it kind of straight down from the eyes, underneath the eyes, the bridge of the nose, and a little bit to the forehead.
Okay, so now he's going with the lighter concealer, which this is actually much lighter than what we put on our face, but okay. And again, he's doing this thing. I'm just gonna use the same brush and just flip it over. Okay, so he's going like... Okay. Are you gonna blend this with the thingy too, Mr. Goss?
And then I'm just going to kind of blend this in with a Beauty Blender sponge.
Okay,
now,
you are.
When you're
with this sponge.
doing this, you really want to press and work the sponge into the skin. You're
okay.
You're just pressing it into the skin. You're making it become one with the skin. And this is incredibly important for this kind of look, that you're really pressing it and pushing it into the skin.
Okay, so he's like pressing it in there and then stippling it out. Okay. Press and stipple. Oh my god, this looks real. You know what? I'm looking in the viewfinder. I need an actual mirror. Okay, here we go. This is dirty. Hold on. Oh, wow. This looks good, except for like my forehead wrinkles. Okay, and you really see all my dry patches. Okay, it's still... I don't know. I still have texture around my mouth. But my pores are filled to perfection, let me tell you that. Okay, I still have like texture on the eyebrows and around the mouth. Okay, what you got next?
More softly.
Softly.
Now I'm going to take a darker shade of foundation. Now this is not contouring. I'm just applying this to add color and structure to the face. So I'm applying it just to the cheekbone and a little bit to the kind of outside temple area. And then I'm just going to blend it with a Beauty Blender sponge. And you can see I'm blending up. I'm pushing everything up. So it's going into the hairline here.
Okay.
And same with the cheek. I'm going to push.
The closest thing I have to that is this much darker foundation I got when I was actually very tan. I'm not ready for that. I'm scared.
Now, with that complete makeup face, I'm now going to set everything with a loose powder, using a powder and a puff, and press and tap and roll this into the skin. This will set and lock everything in.
I don't have a puff. I have a sponge and toilet paper. Okay, he said using loose powder? Well, all I got is the Airspun. Oh, this is gonna make a mess. Oh, wait, the Airspun comes with a puff. There's so much excess. Okay, and we're just pressing it. Okay. It smells like grandma. Not in a horrible way. More in like a fond memory kind of way.
Place. Now I'm going to spritz the face with a tiny bit of a setting spray.
Okay.
This will take away any powder residue on the skin.
I'm still doing this, Mr. Goss, so we're gonna hold up for a second. Alright, moment of truth, let's see. Okay, I need more pore filler in my eyebrow area. Or my forehead, excuse me. And there's still texture around my nose and my mouth. But unless someone's like looking up, part of it also is this is the wrong color. It looks good on here. It looks really fucking good on here. But in reality, this is actually really good. I'm impressed with myself, y'all. Okay, let me get the setting spray. So the main things we took from this are blot with tissue throughout, blend the crap out of it with the sponge, and press it in. And then blend it. And then blot with the tissue. That's such an easy thing. I never would have known that. Like, I thought I would like have to buy like the Blendiful to do that. I didn't realize I can do that with fucking tissue. That's I'm learning things. This is fun.